Welcome to the Ken's New Jersey Garage edition of HBS Dealer's new product showcase. This is Ken's New Jersey Garage, and I'm Ken Clark, editor of Hardware and Building Supply Dealer. This video is recommended for mature audiences only. This episode features the Rescue Outdoor Fly Trap from Sterling International, a made in the USA product. It comes with a little packet that attracts flies. Just pop it in the jar and fill it with water to this line. And here's what I call the funnel of death. It attaches to the top of the jar. Flies can get in, but they can't figure out how to leave. Now let's watch as we catch our first victim. Don't do it! Oh, he's toast. Now how many flies do you think we can catch after a couple days? You're way too low, because look how many are here. 1 million. Here's day 1, here's day 3. It's gross, but it works. Thanks for watching HBS Dealer New Product Showcase, Ken's New Jersey Garage Edition. For more new products, visit hbsdealer.com and have a great day.